Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to insert a data using query statement in PostgreSQL. In simple terms, very simple technique I will tell you. You have to know what are the parameters data you are going to be inserting. First, you define it. Then you start with the preparing for the insert statement. Now I have a just now previous version of session. I have a created table called products 1. In this table, I'm going to insert a data of product name here. For this table, ID is in a column. By defaultly, it will creates automatically as an auto increment value here. It will be shows. Whereas I have to choose in a product name only. I'll be write for an insert statement. Now see, it's a basic syntax of insert statement is insert into table name products 1. My table name is products 1 here, and here I have to select the column, which column I'm going to inserting the data. The data column is product name, product underscore name is, and the values which I am going to pass into inserting in this product name is like Python course. Python course I'm going to inserting over here. Now terminate this line and select this particular query only I want to execute here and run the query. Hey, see here, query returned successfully means the data is inserted successfully. Now we will verify with the select statement whether data is inserted or not. Now select star from the table name is products 1. Terminate and run the query. Hey, it is inserted. Now see here, Python course inserted successfully. And I want to insert one more course, that is the PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL SQL course. Now see here, to execution of this particular statement only, highlight the statement and run the query. Now we'll check whether it is there in the database table. Now see here, one more course is added here with the +1 of ID value. The ID value, the serial data type will taken care automatically by increasing +1. Strongly remember, we need not to pass any data to that particular column data type. And now it's very simply, it's going to be inserting over here. And similarly, once we have a written is in a column name here, and multiple values we can pass at the same time. Multiple values we can pass by making it as in a comma, and value is in a PostgreSQL. And similarly, we'll take it as in a like. Now see here the value by taking in a comma, and one more value I have passed here, like MS SQL I mentioned here, and Linux course I'll mention. Two more courses I'm adding. Linux. Now we'll run this query. Execute. Yeah, something is values only one time only is required. Enough. Yep. Now we'll see here by highlighting this statement and execute the query returned successfully. Have you seen here? If we check that, 4 rows we'll get in the database. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. See, likewise, make it is in a comma here and multiple values to insert into the insert statement. We'll use multiple insert statement also. We can execute at the same query. Right? I hope you better understand how to insert into the database the basic query. And likewise, if you have in a more columns, make it as in a comma, and column 2 and column 3 you specify. Based on the selection of the columns, you have to specify the value 1 and value 2. So on you have to write. As much pretty simple. Hope you understand about SQL insert statement. In the next statement, we will see how to modify the data which is already inserted in the database. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.